it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for a great way to store your guitars, well, let me introduce you to this beautiful stand from XCSOURCE. One of my favorite features is that this stand has a specific slot or spot for your guitar picks. I also love that you can hold multiple guitars on this stand. Another neat feature is that you can remove some of these pegs so that you can fit a guitar case or other smaller or larger sized instruments. This beautiful felt also allows the guitars not to be scratched when placing it on the stand. Something I love is that this comes with a drawer. So you can put your sheet music in there, your guitar strings, your capo, or even your cords for your amp. Another nice accent is that these rests at the bottom are sponged or protected. So again, you're not damaging either the stand or, most importantly, your instruments. Assembly is required, but I was able to assemble this guitar stand all by myself. They do provide you the tools that you need in order to build the guitar stand. This guitar stand was so beautifully designed. I absolutely love it in our home. So if you're looking for a beautiful way to display your guitars, then I cannot recommend enough this beautiful guitar stand from XCSOURCE. And that's my point of view.